Certifying staff is the person appointed within a maintenance organization to ensure the compliance of civil aircraft or aircraft component with the approved standards.
So, tatlo itong ginawa namin ngayon. Dalawang 72 hours check ng Gulfstream at isang daily check ng Airbus 330. So, halos araw-araw na maraming trabaho, maraming tinatatakan. Yung tinta ng pantatak ko medyo naghihingalo na. Wala naman problema dahil meron tayong ink sa bahay. So, gamit kong ink blue kasi blue naman talaga original na kulay nitong pantatak namin.